Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm cooking coconut rice and I'm using this version. So I melted my butter and then I go in to pour in my already marinated chicken because I'm gonna toss it a little to build up flavors. So the next thing, whenever you see me cooking with my little gas, it means I am tired, guys. So I put in my butter and then my bay leaves. I stir a little and then it's time to add my rice. I stir fry my rice a little. When that is ready, I go in to pour my pepper mix. I'm cooking this food with so much excitement because I just clocked 2k followers, no, 2k subscribers on YouTube and counting, guys. If you're not on YouTube, you don't know what it means to have 2k subs. So back to my cooking. I pour in my already organic coconut milk and I stir, and then I'm gonna cover this, and before then I'm gonna add little crayfish. I allow it cook a bit. I know you can perceive the aroma from there. So I'm still gonna add little milk because I still need to cook it a bit. So fresh pepper, and in goes my chicken, and I need to cover it because I need heat to make this come out so nice and crunchy. So guys, this is it. I go on to add my veggies, and this is it, guys. Imagine when you combine coconut flavor with cinnamon and then butter flavor. What do you get? This is what it's like. So guys, my coconut rice is ready, and this dish is giving organic vibes. So what are your thoughts? Let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe.